Collaboration is key to the modern design workflow. Bezi is purpose-built for collaboration, making it easy to work with others, async or in real time. In this Bezi 101 lesson, we'll go through commenting and multiplayer collaboration. Before you can leave a comment, you will need to have a Bezi account and be signed in. If you're the file owner and are sharing a playlink file, make sure to let your collaborators know that they can set up their free Bezi account to leave feedback. We recommend you first watch a lesson related to inviting contributors and managing their permissions. Now let's dive into commenting. Whether you receive a playlink to view a file in play mode or get directly added to a file as a contributor to the scene editor, you'll be able to leave comments in either scenario. To leave a comment, head over to the top toolbar in the scene editor or in play mode. Then click on the comment icon. When clicked, the first thing you'll see is that the right panel shifts into commenting mode in the scene editor. Here you'll be able to view any comments that have been left in the file that was created in either the scene editor or in play mode. Let's leave a comment. You can do this while in comment mode and selecting a visible element in your scene. When a user leaves a comment, it's visually represented as a floating avatar speech bubble in the scene editor and will also show in the right panel. To delete or archive comments, click on the menu icon. In play mode, comments only appear when in commenting mode. Another useful feature is the draw comment feature. This allows users to draw over the scene and leave visual feedback using the pen tool. This feature has a few options in this mode, such as pen line thickness, color, and reset, the latter of which will erase your sketch from the scene. If you want to readjust the camera in this mode, hit the pan button to move around as you normally would in the scene editor, then unclick it to go back into draw comment mode. When you post a drawn comment, it'll be placed in the comments panel as an image. Let's leave another comment, but this time let's move the camera to another view. Bezi's commenting will also record the camera angle that the comment was made on. This is useful if you want to comment on details or want to create a sequence storyboard using comments. Next, let's go through the multiplayer features of Bezi. If multiple contributors are granted access to a file, everyone can access, view, and edit the file at the same time. Each contributor will be represented in the scene editor by a 3D floating cursor with their name floating above and as an avatar represented by their user picture on the top right in the toolbar. While in multiplayer, every user has equal access to the file and can modify objects in the canvas, properties panel, and state machine. This is useful if multiple people need to complete a scene quickly or to go over what needs to be done in the scene editor for more nuanced and detailed feedback. If you want to focus on what a specific user is working on, you can do so by clicking on their avatar icon. Your view will align with theirs and you'll see the scene through their personal camera. This mode is useful in a presentation style format if you want to give direct feedback while on a call through a third-party video communication platform like Zoom or Google Meet. To get out of this mode, you can either click on their avatar or change the camera view in the scene editor. You now have all the knowledge needed to collaborate async or in real time. Next, let's talk about collaborating in Teams workspaces. On to the next one.